Hi students, welcome back to our class. In the previous video, we discussed about sequences. Let us continue our chapter today. Okay, look at these sequences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 11, 1, 4, 9, 16, 1, 3, 5, 7. Children, can you find any relation in each of the sequences? Yes. In the first sequence, 1 is the first number and adding 1 repeatedly to the next number for getting the sequence. In the first sequence, 1 is the first number and adding 1 repeatedly to get the whole sequence. Okay. In the second sequence, 2 is the first number and 2 is adding repeatedly to get the sequence. In the third sequence, 5 is the first number, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11 and so on. In the fourth one, 1 is the first number. So let us take the square of the number to get the sequence. In the last one, 1 is the first number and 2 is adding repeatedly to get the sequence. Go through all these sequences. We understood that in some sequences a fixed number added again and again to get the sequence. A sequence got by starting with any number and adding a fixed number repeatedly is called an arithmetic sequences. Once again, arithmetic sequences. A sequence got by starting with any number and adding a fixed number repeatedly is called an arithmetic sequence. All sequences are not arithmetic sequences, but all arithmetic sequences are sequences. Let's see some examples. Set of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. Here 2 added repeatedly. Next, set of odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. Here 2 is added repeatedly. Third one 4, 8, 12, 16, etc. Here 4 added again and again to get the sequence. Is it clear for you? Okay. The fixed number we added again and again to get the sequence is called the common difference of the sequence. Once again, common difference. Children, how do we find the common difference of an arithmetic sequence? Common difference we can represent it by the letter D. D equal to second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. It is equal to x2 minus x1. x2 is the second term and x1 is the first term. So D equal to x2 minus x1. Is it clear for you? Common difference D. The constant difference got by subtracting from any term just a previous term is called the common difference. D equal to second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term and so on. Next, let's do some exercise. Question number 1. Check whether each of the sequences given below is an arithmetic sequence. Give reasons for the arithmetic sequences. Write the common difference also. We are starting with question number 1. Sequence of odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7. We have to check whether it is an arithmetic sequence or not. Let us find its common difference. D equal to second term minus first term. it is equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Then D equal to 5 minus 3 is again 2. Here 2 is the common difference, so it forms an arithmetic sequence. Next question, sequence of even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8. We have to check whether it is an arithmetic sequence or not. So let us find its common difference. D equal to second term minus first term, 4 minus 2, 2. Again D equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Here common difference is 2. So it forms an arithmetic sequence. Third question, sequence of fractions got as half of odd numbers. Answer 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2 and so on. Here we have to check whether it forms an arithmetic sequence or not. First we have to find its common difference. D equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 divided by 2 is 2 by 2 equal to 1. Next D equal to 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. It is equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. Here D equal to 1. So the common difference is same. So it forms an arithmetic sequence. Next question, powers of 2. Children, can you say that which are the powers of 2? Yes, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3 and so on. 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 square equal to 4, 2 cube equal to 8 and so on. Can you say that if it forms an arithmetic sequence or not? Yes, right. It is not an arithmetic sequence because here the common difference is not same. D equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2, but D equal to 8 minus 4 equal to 4. It is not same, so it does not form an arithmetic sequence. The last one is an activity for you to do.